Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. A bit of breaking news to bring to you that we just got. Veteran politician Dr. D.K Duncan, popularly known as Dr. D.K Duncan, has passed away. We received reports that he passed away early this morning while in hospital. It is also brought to our attention that he was tested positive for the COVID virus as well. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of sad news to bring to you right now outside of the political camp of Jamaica is that former cabinet minister Dr. D.K Duncan has passed away. Mr. Duncan passed away on Thursday morning while in hospital. He was 80 years old. The People's National Party PNP stalwart was admitted to the hospital late in August after testing positive for the COVID virus. His two daughters, Amani Duncan Price and Patricia Duncan Price Sutherland, ran unsuccessfully in the recently held general election, which saw this going to the Jamaica Labour Party. Over the past few hours, a number of individuals have took to social media just in order to send their condolences to his family and friends. One such individual and from the political arena is Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness himself, who took to social media just in order to express his condolences to his family and friends. In an emotional post, he wrote, "It is with very deep sadness that I learned of the passing of former cabinet member of Parliament for Eastern Hanover and East Central St. Andrew, Dr. D.K Duncan. Dr. Duncan passed away in hospital this morning. Dr. D.K Duncan passed away in hospital this morning. He was known for his commitment and service to his country. I wish his wife, his children, his loved ones, and his colleagues and friends comfort as they mourn his passing." That was a post from the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness himself. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity as well just to express our heartfelt condolences to his family and friends as they mourn during this difficult time. Also paying tribute to the late politician is the private sector organization of Jamaica, the PSOJ. Following his passing early this morning, the private sector organization of Jamaica, the PSOJ, in a just released statement said that Dr. D.K Duncan patriotism was evident that he opted to return to Jamaica after studying in Canada to practice his profession as a dental surgeon. His decision did not only resulted in him directly impacting the lives of thousands of Jamaicans, but also his practice that sparked the desire to become an active participant in the transformation of a newly independent Jamaica, the organization said. Dr. D.K Duncan's political career started in 1966, and through the next 5 decades, he served as cabinet minister and member of parliament through various capacities in the People's National Party. The strength of the politician and his patriotism has reflected in the work of his children, including the current president of the PSOJ, Mr. K Duncan, who continues to serve his country with pride and integrity. We here at Links 007 TV just want to express and use this opportunity once more just to extend our condolences to his family and friends. We'll have more details to come on this in a later report.